Today's topic, the human digestive system, how our body breaks down the food. Introduction. The digestive system is responsible for breaking down food into nutrients that the body can use for energy, growth and repair. It also removes waste from our body. The digestive system includes various body parts such as stomach, esophagus, small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas, anus, etc. What is digestion? Digestion is the process by which complex food substances are converted into simpler molecules that can be absorbed by the body. Digestion is the complex process by which our body breaks down food into nourishment and energy. It involves both mechanical action like chewing and chemical reaction like enzymes. Importance of digestion. Digestion is important because it helps the body obtain energy, grow and repair tissue, maintain body functions. Organ of the digestive system: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. The human digestive system. You can see the diagram of the various body parts that are labeled in the given diagram. Then the mouth, first part. Digestion begins in the mouth. Function: chewing food, mixing food with saliva. Saliva contains enzymes that start digestion. The mouth has organs such as teeth, tongue that help in biting and swallowing of food respectively. Teeth and their role. The teeth help in the mechanical digestion. The four main types of teeth are incisor, canines, premolars and molar. Each type of teeth has a specialized shape for biting, tearing and chewing food. Adults typically have 32 permanent teeth. Incisor, front teeth. These are the 8 teeth in the front, 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom, with a sharp narrow edge designed for cutting and biting food. Canine, pointy teeth situated on either side of the incisor. There are 4 canines with a sharp point used to hold, tear and rip food. Premolars, bicuspids, located between the canine and molar. These 8 teeth have a flatter surface with resist to tear and cross the food. Molar, back teeth, with 12 teeth including wisdom teeth, are the largest and strongest with a wide flat surface meant for grinding food into smaller pieces for swallowing. Types of teeth. The incisor are the smallest, canine bigger than incisor, premolar bigger than incisor and canine, and molar big, the most bigger one. Salivary gland. Salivary gland produce saliva. Saliva contains enzymes that break down starch into sugar. Salivary gland are the exocrine gland that produce 0.5 to 1.5 liter of saliva daily, facilitating digestion, lubrication and oral hygiene. Function of saliva. Digestion contains enzymes like amylase and breakdown of starch lipase to break down fat. Lubrication moisten the food for easier swallowing and protect oral mucus. Oral health contains antimicrobial agents that control bacteria and buffer acid to prevent tooth decay. The esophagus is a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. Food moves it by a process called peristalsis. The esophagus is 23 to 37 cm muscular tube connecting the pharynx to the stomach, acting as a conduit for food and fluids, primarily using peristalsis to move material regardless of gravity. It consists of cervical, thoracic, abdominal segment featuring of the lower sphincter that prevent reflux. Peristalsis. Peristalsis is the wave-like muscular movement that pushes food through the digestive tract. The cell process mixes food with digestive juice and moves it along with the similar muscular movement, also aiding to urine transport and reproductive function. The stomach. The stomach is a muscular J-shaped organ in the upper abdomen, left side, that acts as the central part of the gastrointestinal tract, storing food, mixing it with gastric juice and breaking it down into chyme. It includes the cardia, fundus, body and pylorus. Synonyms include gut, belly, tummy, midsection, abdomen and digestive chamber. It produces HCl and enzymes. Function of stomach: churn food, kill harmful bacteria, begin protein digestion. Role of liver. The liver is a vital organ performing over 500 functions, primarily filtering blood, metabolizing nutrients, fats and carbohydrates, producing bile for digestion, detoxifying harmful substances, alcohol and drugs, storing vitamin, iron and regulating blood clotting. It attacks the body metabolic engine, maintain energy level by storing and releasing glucose as a glycogen. The gallbladder stores bile produced by the liver. Gallbladder releases bile into the small intestine. Role of pancreas. The pancreas is the vital gland behind the stomach that manages digestion and blood sugar regulation. It functions as both an endocrine gland and exocrine gland. Exocrine gland because of producing enzymes like lipase, amylase, and protease to break fat, carb, and protein. And endocrine for the secretion of insulin, glucagon to control blood sugar. Small intestine. Small intestine is the main site of digestion and absorption. It is about 6 meters long. Small finger-like structure called villi absorb nutrients into the bloodstream. There are three parts of small intestine: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Duodenum, the first and the shortest, widest section, C-shaped, that connects the stomach, where bile and pancreatic enzyme enter to break down food. Jejunum, the middle section, connects to the ileum, responsible for breaking down food and absorbing many nutrients. Ileum, the final longest section that connects to the large intestine, which absorbs remaining nutrients and water. Large intestine absorbs water and minerals from undigested food. The large intestine, or the large bowel or colon, is the final 5-foot section of the gastrointestinal tract connecting the small intestine to the anus. It absorbs water, electrolytes, and vitamins from waste, compact feces, and houses bacteria for fermentation. Rectum and anus, formation of waste. The rectum and anus are the final components of the gastrointestinal tract, working together to store the expel facial waste. The rectum is the final 12-15 cm of the large intestine connecting the sigmoid colon to the anal canal. The rectum stores waste. The anus is the final opening 2 to 4 cm long of the digestive tract through which waste leaves the body. The anus removes the waste from the body. Undigested material from the feces in the large intestine. Common digestive problems. The common digestive disorders include GERD, IBS, lactose intolerance, gallstone, and IBD. These conditions often cause symptoms like abdominal pain, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, and heartburn. Management typically involves lifestyle changes, diet adjustment, and medication, with some cases requiring surgery. Some of the most common digestive disorders are gastroesophageal reflux diseases and acid reflux. Occur when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing a burning sensation and heartburn. It can be caused by lifestyle factor and hiatal hernia. Irritable bowel, IBS, a functional disorder caused by chronic pain, bloating, and changes in bowel habit, diarrhea, constipation without causing physical change to the damage of the bowel. Inflammatory bowel disease, chronic long-term inflammation of digestive tract including Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Gallstone, hardened deposit that form the gallbladder, often requiring, in some cases, surgical removal of gallbladder. Lactose intolerance, the inability to fully digest lactose, sugar in dairy products, resulting in diarrhea, gas, and bloating. Tips for healthy digestion: boost fiber intake. Eat more fiber-rich food like oats, beans, fruits, and vegetables to prevent constipation. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help fiber function properly and stool. Eat mindfully. Chew the food thoroughly and eat slowly to reduce strain on the digestive system. Prioritize regularity. Eat at a consistent interval to keep the gut rhythm stable. Reduce trigger food. Limit high-fat, fried, and heavily processed food which are harder to digest. Conclusion: the human digestive system is essential for converting food into energy and nutrients. A healthy digestive system is important for overall health. The digestive system acts as our body's power plant, transforming food into fuel. By coordinating ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination, it ensures our cells have the building block needed to thrive. Keeping the system healthy is essential for long-term health. A healthy digestive system is vital for overall health, providing the energy needed for body cells and supporting immune function. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.